Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and set up Claude Code on your Mac operating system. I'm also going to show you how you can set up Claude Code with Ollama models on your Mac operating system. So let's see step by step how we can do it. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Claude Code, and one of the top links which will appear here will be from code.claude.com/docs. So I'm going to click on this link where you can see the getting started documentation of Claude Code. And when you scroll down a little, you can see how you can install Claude Code for the terminal version or Visual Studio Code or desktop app, web app, and other options are also available here, right? So terminal option is this one, and you can see under terminal option, this is the curl command which you can use to install Claude Code. So let me copy this curl command from here and let me open the terminal using the spotlight. Let me search for terminal and then open it. And then once the terminal is open, just paste this command and then press enter, which is going to start the installation of Claude Code. So you can see the installation has been started. At this point, I just need to wait for a few seconds. And now after a few seconds, I can see this message which says Claude Code successfully installed. And it also says native installation exists in this location. Run this command also to add it into your ZSHRC. So I'm going to run this command here. So just copy this command which is given here. So I'm going to copy this command and let me run this command and then press enter. And once I ran this command, this location is set in my ZSHRC, and I have already given this source also to reload all the environment variables. So now when I type Claude here and then press enter, it's going to open the Claude Code. You can see Claude Code starts. So here you can choose the mode, let's say light mode or dark mode here. And then once I select the mode, I can also select the subscription. So for now, I don't want to use any subscription because I want to use the Ollama models with the Claude Code. So at this point, I'm going to just press Ctrl C to come out of this Claude Code command line interface. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Ollama and then use Ollama with Claude Code. So first of all, open your favorite browser and search for Ollama, and the first link which will appear here will be from ollama.com. So let me click on this link, and on the home page itself, I can see the simple command which I can copy to install Ollama on my Mac operating system. So I'm going to just click on this copy button and let me minimize this browser. And I'm going to go to my spotlight search and then search for terminal and just click on this terminal option. And once the terminal opens, just paste this command, which is curl -fssl, and the link to this shell script which can install Ollama on our Mac operating system. So just press enter here, and you can see it's downloading Ollama and then installing the Ollama. In between, it might ask you to provide your Mac's password which you use to log into your Mac operating system. So I'm going to give my password and then press enter, and it's going to move forward. And you can see it says it's starting Ollama and then installation complete. So you can now run Ollama. Also, I can see this app background activity. So Ollama can run in the background. You can manage background activity in login items and extensions. Now, once Ollama is installed, you can run Ollama commands and download the popular models using the command line itself. But you can also find this utility in your apps. So when you click on this apps section, you will see this Ollama icon, which you can click here, and it's going to open this kind of graphical user interface, right? And so you can see this graphical user interface for Ollama has been started. And here, first of all, you can select the models. So these are the models which are cloud-based models. You can see all these models are cloud-based models. But when you scroll down, you can see some models you can download locally and then use them. So all these models which have these download icons, you can download them locally on your Mac operating system. So I'm going to use one of these cloud models, let's say Minimax M2. Now, as soon as I select this model, I can see this kind of message which says I need to sign in to my Ollama accounts to use those cloud models or download the available models, right? So I'm going to click on this sign in button, which is going to open this sign in page for Ollama. I'm going to use my Google account to sign into the Ollama. And once I signed in with my Google account, you can see my account is created here. And here I'm going to just connect this device. So I'm going to click on connect here and it says device connected successfully. So once Ollama is installed on your Mac operating system, you can go to the ollama.com website, and on the top you can click on the models option where you can find many models here, right? So all these models are available. So you can choose one of these models. For example, I want to choose this Kimi K2.5 option. So let me click on this option. And then when you scroll down a little, you can see how you can launch this model, which is Kimi K2 Cloud with Ollama and Claude Code, right? So this is the command for this. So I'm going to just copy this command, which is Ollama launch Claude, and then hyphen model, and the model name is optional, right? So I'm going to copy this command. This is the main command, which is Ollama launch Claude. And let's go to the terminal. Let me clear the terminal here and then just give this command, which is Ollama launch Claude, and then press enter. And you can see recommended option also includes Kimi K2 Cloud. So I will choose this Kimi K2 Cloud option here and then press enter, which is going to launch Claude Code. You can see Claude Code has been launched. So when I move forward with this installation now, so let's select this dark mode option and then press enter. And once I press enter, you can see security note which says Claude Code can make mistakes, and due to prompt injection, only use the code you trust. So I'm going to press enter here, and then it says use the Claude Code's terminal setup, and I'm going to choose yes, use recommended settings. So press enter here, and at last you can choose the folder in which you want to use Claude Code. For now, I'm going to use it in the home page because I'm not developing any project here. I will open the Claude Code inside a folder when I want to create some kind of a code, right? So for now, I'm going to say, yes, I trust this folder. And then I'm going to click on allow here, and Claude Code has been opened, and you can see the model here, which is Kimi K2.5, and this is the version, and we are running it in the home folder. So here I'm going to say give me the spec of this Mac, and then press enter, and let's see if it can reply. And you can see it's computing, and first of all it requires some kind of permission to proceed. I'm going to press yes here, and now I can see all the informations related to my Mac operating system, right? And this is all done by Kimi K2. So I'm going to give this command, which is write C++ hello world code, let's say, right? And then I'm going to press enter, and hopefully it's going to create or write this hello.cpp, and then it has given me this hello world code for C++. It's also asking me, do you want to create a hello.cpp? I don't want to do it, so I'm going to select no, and that is the code, right? So everything is working beautifully with Kimi K2 and the Claude Code. So I have the power of Claude Code with the open source model on my Mac operating system. So this is how you can set up Claude Code with the Ollama model on your Mac operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.